Welcome to Lingoland. In our series, Create Spanish Sentences with Ease, today we will cover, talking about what you are doing now. Let's begin.
Yo estoy.
Means I am.
Yo estoy viajando.
I am traveling.
Yo estoy cocinando.
I am cooking.
Yo estoy trabajando.
I am working.
Yo estoy estudiando.
I am studying.
Yo estoy bailando.
I am dancing. Now let's move to sentences with you are.
Tú estás bebiendo.
You are drinking.
Tú estás comiendo.
You are eating.
Tú estás jugando.
You are playing.
Tú estás escribiendo.
You are writing.
Tú estás charlando.
You are chatting. Now, we will talk about what he or she is doing.
Él está. Ella está. Él está limpiando.
He is cleaning.
Ella está viendo.
She is watching.
Él está dibujando.
He is drawing.
Ella está yendo.
She is going.
Él está nadando.
He is swimming. That is all. Use these sentences in your conversations and tell us how it goes. Add your own sentences in the comments section. Like the video, share with your friends and subscribe for more Spanish lessons. Adios.